What's up, everyone? How we doing? What's up, YouTube? How is everyone this morning? Watching a bounce on SPY down here around this 573. I gotta talk to Team Bull here. What's up, Team Bull? Watching this 573 bounce area on SPY. Hold on, I can't hear you, Jaden. Wow. Hold on one second. I don't know what that's all about. You there, Jaden? Let's try this again. What's up? 573 bounce area is what I'm watching on SPY. What a morning, YouTube. How's everyone been? I have been trying to get on this live. It wouldn't let me stream for some reason for like 5 minutes straight. Finally got it to work. What's up? Let's see who all is here. I'm sure the crowd will be in soon. Let me adjust my chart. What's up? I'm watching this 573 bounce on SPY, everyone. We didn't quite get there. We was close. It may bounce early. If it does, it's all right. It's been good. How's yours?
This market's going crazy. And the 573 bounce, they got within 30 cents that 573.
I know, man. I was hoping we push down a little more.
That's the level I had marked out for my morning live too. be because we had a lot of previous resistance there. You get like the hourly chart with some previous touches there, resistance and support.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Jazz, everyone, welcome in. Be sure you have the notifications on and run up the likes. We'll do this, finish out the week going live.
You just want to tear. That's crazy. That is crazy. Seriously, should pump up like this whenever we do get the pullback. It is going to be epic.
I see you all finally waking up and joining. We had quite the crowd here yesterday. I'm not for sure exactly how many, but we had close to 300 at one point hanging out. See that yellow spot on my screen? That is where I'm looking for SPY calls or ES longs.
How's your day going, Brando Commando? You boys?
It's been a morning so far, bro.
What does that mean?
My dog in a big old mess.
Oh, no.
Yeah. We were live this morning. I was too busy cleaning up.
Oh, no.
What? We here.
We're here. How's your BMY doing?
Warrior said,
Shut out yesterday, break
come live on TikTok is 18 seconds delay. There's not a bad delay here. You can adjust it, Warrior. It's on your side probably because when I ask questions, it's answered. They answer immediately here. Instagram is slower. TikTok maybe it's faster. I don't know. Good morning, Steve. Welcome in. Welcome in, everyone. How many we have on here right now? Looks like 220. I've been doing live for 2 days. We've had 2 winning trades on here so far this week. See if we can get another one today. See if we can get another one today. I'm here, I'm just looking. No trades yet. I'm gonna try a lot size of calls. On a SPX, SPY, ES loans, whatever you want. Wow, took my order a minute to get filled. Got a horrible feel on that, everyone. Delayed. Light size. If you take this trade, go light, because I may add it. If we push down, we'll see. I'm not for sure yet.
You gonna leave any room to add, like 573 area?
Yeah, I went light. I'm leaving room to add if we push down to 573.
It's kind of in my zone. More
But we're showing signs of an early bounce there. Why I took first half of my position. Safe entry is at 573, but just hope we don't sit here and consolidate before making our move. That's a possibility as well. I'd like to see a push up, and honestly, I don't, if we can get some continuation here, we could see that 575 again on SPY. Remember, YouTube, we're on a winning streak. Doesn't mean you should oversize here. We had 2 winning trades the last 2 mornings. And if you don't like taking early entries, it's okay to miss a trade. Keep that in mind. You can wait on this area. See how we're wicking on the 5 minute. The buyers are still in control here. I mean, it could push down. The sellers could get back in control. More aggressive selling, rather. More aggressive buying. But right now, looking at the candlesticks is telling me you still do have some buyers here. So let's see if is this where we bounce. See if this is where we bounce. It may want that area. We'll see.
So let's see what we get, friends. Gonna wait for this market to hit my levels, or am I gonna take a trade? It's really as simple as that. If it doesn't hit my levels, I'm not taking a trade. If it doesn't hit my levels, friends, I will take a trade.
Doesn't help the fact that I got a horrible feel on this trade though. Look, I clicked buy. It took it like 5 seconds to go through.
Do we have any data today? I don't know.
We got Fed speakers all day. It's one thing I hate, Fed speakers. Give us a nice push.
There's a bunch of Fed speakers today.
A bunch, man.
Not your favorite type of day.
No, yeah, I usually trade lighter size on days like today anyway.
Remember, y'all, it's a great day to choose discipline over dopamine. I know that our discipline sprint technically ended yesterday, but hopefully it's the foundation to go into Q4 and to go into the rest of the year strong. We'll probably start another one here. Maybe October 1st. Let's set a nice sprint tab for Q4.
Hey, yo, YouTube, if you're trading same day expiration and you're watching the premiums, you're going to be stressed all day. I can't trade based off premiums. You got to just focus on your levels. You position accordingly. You're going to have a brain heart attack. You do not want to trade stressed every day. Trading, I mean, it's going to have stress, but you know, we can make it less stress. This trade doesn't work out, it's a valid trade. Yeah, we took an early entry, we had momentum loss, and we had signs that buyers were stepping in early. And I'm okay with that. You just can't stay stressed. We caught 2 winning trades. Not every trade will be a winner, so just remember that if you're trading with me. Do my best for y'all. You know, if every trade was a winner, everyone would do it right. We do have data coming up.
All right, you know. What's this? What SPX touch? I've literally gotten a $5,800 rip this too. The whole psych. The first touches on SPX hit.
Oh. Is anyone looking at Bookmap right now? Where's the buyers at on ES? Should be right in this area.
Now we just need Spidey a 2021 mode where it just has a little bit of this nukes.
Let's rip up to 575 for us.
Good old 2021 market.
Sipping some coffee, relaxing. I hate how we have data coming up, everyone.
We literally just open a range breakout like every single day. It'd be a slight dip and then just rip up. Literally every single day. All 2021 with any stock he chose. That was the way of the land.
That's when you used to trade shares.
Yeah.
Jay done ripping $1 million worth of Tesla.
You just told me to rip $1 million from Tesla.
No, I said you used to when you was trading shares.
How do you do that right now? Is that financial advice?
Do it.
Fine. 2,000 shares. Let's go. I didn't actually do that, but let's see what that would have been a 260, 260.2. So let's see how that plays out throughout the day. Come on, pump for breeze.
So
574, I start playing the song.
yeah, play the song.
574. It's a momentum song.
We have data in 1 minute.
The song doesn't make it go up when it's back and forth. The song gives it that extra push that it needs when it breaks key levels and needs just a little more.
That's what she said. What she said. This coffee's good this morning. Push up. No, I'm 100% against that. I don't even know how to say your name. Amudilla.
They're basing home sales off.
You don't short uptrends long term. People went broke this year doing that.
They're basing it off, well, we didn't. Thank God. Well, dude.
Push up. Pump it.
Oh, come on. Do it.
Straight to 575. Go.
Come on, it's just 574.
Well, if you took ES longs, you can trim them.
Let's go. Yeah.
Pump it. QQQ is just doing the opposite. What a divergence. Be careful, everyone. Be careful with your positions.
It worked for a second. It's a decent pump up off news.
Nice trade, Savage. I just seen you join in on the calls.
That was a nice trim spot in the ES. The options in a little bit. Watching the 574s, you see a decent move up, like 103 at the top.
If QQQ finds this bottom here, we're about to see a big move. Telling you all, today is going to be one of the trickiest days to trade because of all the Fed speakers. Oh, remember, if you trimmed your ES earlier, you always set your stops at entry, everyone. That's how I roll. Fed speakers, days like this, I trade lighter size. Let me show you all real quick. Just going to show you. Look, all the Fed speakers today. Not something that makes it just makes it harder on us for day trading. I think we could still bounce there. Watching QQQ, there's a huge divergence on QQQ and SPY earlier. So, don't like that. That's why I told everyone to be cautious with your positions there. We're in the main bounce area. Let's see what happens. This is my main bounce area today, everyone, as far as SPY goes. We touched that bounce level, everyone, the main one. Uh-oh, I like this. See if we can push.
I'm not convinced we're going back up. Should have filled 573. 5-minute chart typically I look at this and I'd say it looks pretty bearish. So the only level I had this morning, so we don't hold this 573-ish, I'll probably look for some sort of downtrend entry. It's the last line of defense, last line of support I see right here. 573, like 572.5.
No, I'm not in that bounce. Not that one. Remember, when you're FW trim, you always set your stops at entry. Always. Then after the second trim, you set it in profits, as far as ES goes. I'll let you know if I take this trade here. I just don't see any short entries today. As far as that goes, everyone. I don't see no possible short entries. The trend entry is what's going to be in play today. And this is the only area I have. I have a bounce area on the SPX, but it's lower. It's 5733 for support. If we're going to bounce, this is where it's at. I think tomorrow will make for much better trading conditions. Made a little money on the ES. See what the options do. See what my calls do. I didn't get a trim off on the calls, everyone, or I would have closed them out in profits as well. Time I trimmed the ES, it was already too late. Anyone still holding any calls? Did you add down there in the main spot?
Or the 573, 572.5 is it. See if it maintains.
Just be sure you manage your trades, everyone. I don't want you to have a red trade over this. Riskier day. It's a risk off type of day because it's risky. I do not trade fair value gaps. Do not. Well, I say that. I trade retest. A lot of times that pretty much sums it up. Will this be the continuation spot? Not seeing the continuation you want to see. That I want to see rather. See what this 5 minute closes at. Kayla, Star, never hold for hope. And if you're down bad, you're over positioned. Your main ad should have been right there in that 573 to 572.6 area. Never hold for hope, or never take a trade that can, how to put it? One trade should never be able to, destroy you, mess up your account. Gotta have risk management. That's why I position accordingly to knowing that my second ad spot's below. When I'm trading, the only reason I didn't trim earlier on my options, I was just up in the green a little, because I trimmed my ES first. Then by the time I started to trim my options, it had already moved back down as a quick move. I had my stop loss entry on ES, so I made money on that. Now I'm holding my options, see if we get continuation here.
How's everybody doing?
Doing good. How you doing? Got any trades cooking for us?
No. I'm a little back and forth. Like if I'm looking at a 5-minute chart from an untrend perspective, I guess I would like to find a lower high here entry, but with this demand at 573 and with this uptrend we've had, I can't rationalize doing that. So I'm not really, again, I've said this 100 times, but my edge really isn't at all-time highs. I'm just keeping it light, keeping it super patient, and waiting for the April setups to come. I don't mind if I take less trades while we're getting those things moving. Some good scalps, I should potentially have, but
If we're gonna bounce, this is the area.
you still have your options?
I have my options open, yeah. I closed out my ES and profits. That we hit our ad spot too, so it happened too quick for me to close the options out. Or even trim, rather. I didn't even get a trim off on the options. What is a yellow circle? It is a yellow circle. No, it was our bounce area. Our bounce area for calls. What a boring morning so far. Sometimes trading is boring. I don't like this price action here. Just full transparency so we could push down. I don't watch the prices of the same day. Too much stress. You watch premium prices. My trade invalidates on the chart, not my premiums. Stop is below that previous low there, you see. Probably stop out down here of my options. Remember, we already closed out ES. We made money on ES.
Hey, it's so nice that y'all can ask each other questions in chat. We got a pretty nice community here on TikTok every day, you know?
What's up?
I'm not seeing a damn thing though. I guess we're just hovering right around the support, so I can't go short. I'm also a little hesitant to go long. Because of how price action looks. Basically just stuck. See, Savage caught a banger. What a good trade in that cabinet floor.
Nice.
Nice. Got some good scalps. Dude, that car was crazy yesterday, bro. You can get it for the low price of 4 mil.
I'm gonna be trading live every day for you all on here.
Yeah, well, full port PPSI trades, you will have it.
Listen, bro, keep playing.
Brandon, did you even sleep last night? You texted me late, then you was up at like 4 daylight.
It was like 10 o'clock.
Oh yeah, you're on different time zone now. Well, 12 o'clock my time.
Yeah, dude.
It's like it's gonna stop us every one.
Hey, attaboy Savage. Oh, and Greg? Oh, and Greg. Angry nice.
Watching this 5-minute close. Five-minute close. Unless we just push down like crazy, but I usually wait on the 5-minute close. No. Well, that is our first losing trade on. Watch it bounce now after it stopped me out. First losing trade on live together, everyone. First loss. Good thing it was a lighter size day, huh? Made money on ES, lost money on options, so. What did I just buy? I sold. Closed up my position for a loss on the options. Yeah, we would have made money if we just waited on that entry, huh? That comes with the risk of adding early. Adding early. I still think we bounced in this area, but I just had to follow my plan. You know, I couldn't hold for and hope. I just followed my plan. That's what I do every day, win or lose. And we've been on a winning streak. Today is a first loss we've had live. Isn't it the worst though when you stop out? Then the as soon as you stop out, it's like they sing your stop loss. I know, you know, it's not how it works or whatever, but then they just turn around and pump it up the way you want it. This 5733 on SPX, the only level I have. I will take one more trade if we get down there, but right now I don't have anything. We're still inside the zone on SPY technically.
Going down.
Yeah, you all can track my win rate if you like, and the YouTubes. I don't care. Don't care a bit.
Tesla's free falling too.
It's like we made the right call stopping. You know, a little tip for you all while we're got some time. So whenever I say we take two ads like we did here, say we added here, right? Or somewhere in this area, we added here. Then we push down, we added here, right? So when we come back up, when we push back up, if we have to take the second ad, a lot of times I'll take some of my position off right at my right at my break even, so I'll lower my risk that way. Tends to work out well. Makes sense? I'm watching for confirmation here. If we get confirmation for a bounce, I may try this trade one more time. I'll let you know. You can see when you set the stop loss, you can see it on your chart.
Hey, De Leon, let's go. Sounds today, lock your money. No worm trading, no chop trading. Go enjoy your day, bro. God bless. Let's go. And Greg, got a boy. You guys have boy, thank you. Thank you's really dumping.
Do y'all like scalping any? I see some scalp setups coming up. We're gonna need to trade NQ or MNQ though. I don't know about mobile.
Oh my gosh, the NQ. Go 23. 1,311.
Oh. See setup, I'm just waiting on it. I'll let you all know. I just started it, Tony. What's up, Team Bull? I'm still here. I think we still bounce this area. Just waiting on better entry. This could be it. If we get a close above this 573, I'm gonna try calls one more time. How much risk is this? About $1. About $1. I'm not in yet, everyone. I was replying to Greg in chat. Let's see. I'm looking at the volume on that last candle. It's not crazy about that volume. Not crazy about the volume. I know I'm muted on Zoom. I'm not no trades yet. When I enter, I'll unmute. Nope, no entry, everyone. You all can hear me on YouTube, right? Yeah, $1 worth of risk on a second trade after losing one, just a little bit too much for me with options. Pretty sure you all can adjust the delay you have. I'm not for sure. On YouTube. Someone mentioned that yesterday. We're still in my zone here, so I can't short and I can't really go long. The zone goes from 573 to 572.5 exactly. The top is 573, the bottom of the zone is 572.5. I plan on being here, Bill. I have calls inputs up. This could go either way here at this zone on SPY. Come on, push on down. Wow, open in the zone. I'm gonna be around for a minute. I'm looking for another trade. I'm not in a trade, but I'm watching this setup still, Team Bull. Same setup we was in earlier. This next push up here. What is that at? See, now QQQ is at my bounce spot. It's just not my ideal market today. You know how many people went broke, financial frantic, trying to think that way this year, though? People have been saying that since January. What's SMCI doing? Let me take a quick look. Jesus, what happened with them? SMCI got smoked. I'd like to have had about 200 puts for SMCI off that move. Everyone, I'm gonna try a light size of puts, and next push up we get. We can try actually. Yeah, let's roll. I took some puts, everyone, on SPY. I entered at 572.5. 572.5. This is my last trade, and it is half position size. Inputs. Inputs. Well, I'm trading SPX, but you all know trade SPY, SPX, or ES. There we go. I'm gonna take a trim down here. Push. Keep pushing down. There we go. That's the move we wanted. Be sure your trimming stops at entry. Come on, push down for us. Let's have a nice push down. Give us this push down. I'm calling this trade out like I'm super heavy. I had 10 puts total on this fiat. $5,733 SPX is my price target. 5,740 to 5,733. There we go. Took another trim, everyone. Oh, let's see what these runners do. What do we think, YouTube? Make some money off that trade? Nice. We still got some runners here. See if we can get this nice push down back to prior day close on the spot. That would be awesome. Didn't have much volume. This wasn't what I was looking for on that, as far as like the identifying if there's aggressive buying. That's why we didn't enter calls earlier. Come on, do not stop us out. Just keep on going down. We want more. The SPX contracts are up. Nice. Who's in this trade with me, Team Bull? I think we're about to get our next push down.
Take some puts?
Yep.
Nice.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about, Grizz.
Massive trade, everyone. There you go. We're back in the green. There we go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing down.
Oh my gosh.
Price target hit, everyone. I have one put remaining. That was a monster, everyone. Them SPX contracts exploded. Went from 800 to like almost 1600. Hit my bounce area at 57733 on SPX, everyone. That was my bounce area. Not taking the bounce, but
Absolute beast. Way to come back, bro.
yeah, man. Both of my trades look good, but that the zone I had it confirmed from the downside to the downside. That's the trade we took. I couldn't enter till we lost that 572.5 though. That was the bottom of my zone. YouTube, Fifth Jump says you're saying you're looking for a bounce. That's what I ideally. So when you have supply and demand or support and resistance, ideally you're looking for bounces at demand or bounces at support, but it don't always work out like that. You have to wait on confirmation. And this trade confirmed to the downside of that zone. Makes sense? Fifth jump. All you can do is trade your levels. Should never be trades in between levels unless it's a trend entry. Have one put running, everyone. See what it does. Confirmed right here. Right here, where it confirmed. Can you not see it? Why can you all not see?
Yo, Grizzly.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, is my YouTube froze? Hold on. Yeah, I can hear you.
I actually killed that, bro. That was insane.
Thanks, man.
Sure. Huge.
All right, YouTube. I am still holding one put runner. I think you all can manage that position on your own. I don't know what's up, why it froze, but I think I am gonna. Oh my goodness, it's still pushing down. Be sure you're watching this on your phone. I'm sorry, my screen froze. We're still we pushed down a little more there.
Get off that. That's crazy.
All right, YouTube. I'm gonna call it a morning here. You all want to stream live tomorrow? I'll be here if you want to hang out. One loser? Well, we'll call it half a loser since we made money on ES and one winner. Let's hold our puts and see if we can lose this 5733 though.